Past perfect continuous tense. Let's see sentence and the structure. First of all, please like and subscribe my channel. When an action was happening continuously for some times in the past, it is the past perfect continuous. If there is no time, then simple past continuous tense will be used. Structure: affirmative action, subject plus had plus been plus verb plus ing plus object plus since or for. We were reading the newspaper since morning. हम सुबह से अखबार पढ़ रहे थे. You have been waiting the taxi for long. आप काफ़ी देर से टैक्सी का इंतज़ार कर रहे थे. Your friend had been trying to call for some time. आपका मित्र कुछ समय से कॉल करने का प्रयास कर रहा था. We had been trying to open the door for 5 minutes. हम 5 मिनट से दरवाज़ा खोलने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. I had been working in the kitchen since morning. मैं सुबह से ही किचन में काम कर रही थी. She had been working on computer since yesterday. वह कल से कंप्यूटर पे काम कर रही थी. She had been reading a book since morning. वह सुबह से एक किताब पढ़ रही थी. Mom had been waiting since 9 o'clock in the morning. माँ सुबह 9 बजे से इंतज़ार कर रही थी. It had been raining since morning. सुबह से बारिश हो रही थी. They had been living in वाराणसी since 1996. वे सभी 1996 से वाराणसी में रह रहे थे. Children had been playing since morning. बच्चे सुबह से खेल रहे थे. Negative sentence structure: subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb plus ing plus object plus since or for. She had not been reading a book since morning. वह सुबह से कोई किताब नहीं पढ़ रही थी. पापा had not been waiting for me since morning. पापा सुबह से मेरा इंतज़ार नहीं कर रहे थे. It had not been raining since morning. सुबह से बारिश नहीं हो रही थी. We had not been working in home since morning. हम सुबह से घर में काम नहीं कर रहे थे. She had not been writing anything since morning. वह सुबह से कुछ भी नहीं लिख रही थी. राजू had not been reading books since night. राजू रात से किताब नहीं पढ़ रहा था. सौरभ had not been working inside company for 3 years. सौरभ 3 साल से कंपनी के अंदर काम नहीं कर रहा था. The children had not been making noise for 3 hours. बच्चे 3 घंटे से शोर नहीं मचा रहे थे. Grandma had not been talking since night. दादी रात से बातें नहीं कर रही थी. The farmer had not been working in the field since morning. किसान सुबह से खेत में काम नहीं कर रहा था. The sun had not been rising since this morning. आज सुबह से सूरज नहीं निकल रहा था. Interrogative sentence structure: had plus subject plus been plus verb plus ing plus object plus since or for. Had you been going for 2 hours? क्या आप 2 घंटे से जा रहे थे? Had she sleeping since noon? क्या वह दोपहर से सो रही थी? Had you been reading for last 2 hours? क्या आप पिछले 2 घंटे से पढ़ रहे थे? Had you been planning to go home since 3 o'clock? क्या आप 3 बजे से घर जाने का प्लान बना रहे थे? Had you been moving with your friend for 2 hours? क्या आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ 2 घंटे से घूम रहे थे? Had you been coming since yesterday? क्या आप कल से आ रहे थे? Had you been traveling by the train since yesterday? क्या आप कल से ट्रेन से यात्रा कर रहे थे? Had I not been watching match since yesterday? क्या मैं कल से मैच नहीं देख रहा था? Had grandpa not been reading newspaper since morning? क्या दादाजी सुबह से अखबार नहीं पढ़ रहे थे? Had grandma been calling for 2 hours? क्या दादी 2 घंटे से बुला रही थी? Had you all been planning to watch movie for 4 hours? क्या आप सभी 4 घंटे से मूवी देखने का प्लान बना रहे थे? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Learning English with Sharika Srivastava. Always watch carefully and learn with Sarika Srivastava.